Guys, this is Ara, my classmate. Then she's her mind because she is Athena or Ara cousin. He named Asara, mean cousin is Ara. He stole my corrupted kitsune because he gave me a mimic. Because he stole it. Because he didn't give someone. Tapos he stole my kitsune and my mimic. Because he gave me a mimic and I gave her a kitsune. Subscribe, like, and subscribe. And look, then tell, put in the comment, you are my classmate or not, because she is a bad girl. I hate you, Sarah. Kag Athena, why you so mean? I hate you.